Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove gift card from Amazon. So let's get into the video. So firstly, go to amazon.com. So once you're on amazon.com, so you're going to sign into your account. So make sure you are logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account here, so once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this on your tab here. So on your profile, click on your account. Simply go to your account, and then here when you get to your account, you will see payment options here. Simply select that, click on payment options, and then here scroll down, you'll see all your saved cards and payment methods here. Simply select the card that you wish to, the gift card that you wish to remove. So for example, I'll choose this card here. So this card here, so simply click on it, so that will load up the card. And then if you want to remove it, simply click on remove. So when you click on remove, it's going to ask you for a confirmation whether if you want to remove it. So all you have to do is click on confirm remove, and that will remove the card from your payment option, so which is from your Amazon account. So that's how you remove your gift card from Amazon. So I hope this video is helpful to you.